What up? Oh, I'm on my work break. Work break time. Michelle, what's up? Everybody, Juanita, what's up? What's up? What's up? I'm about to pull over. We about to break some bread. Somebody talk to me. Tawana, what's up? Sitting here eating these doggone. Come on. Tap on in, black folks. Tap it in. Come on. I want to know something. Y'all got to tell me this. Good afternoon, Charmaine. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Stuff all on my clothes. But let me put the seatbelt on. For y'all start talking about put your seatbelt on. Put your seatbelt on. Don't want to hear none of that. I'm trying to see what y'all doing. I'm on my lunch break. Somebody talk to me. Y'all better be listening to what I'm saying. I want to ask you something. I got a question for y'all ladies. What kind of man are y'all really looking for? Can y'all just tell me and yo, what kind of man are you looking for? What kind of man? What kind of man are you searching for? What kind of man do you want God to bring into your life? I want to be all up in your smitty, all up in your video. Hey, Shakisha. And I want to know, what type of man do you want God to send you? Come on. Talk to me. Hey, Miss Ali. Takia Ali. How do you pronounce that? Yeah.
Take the next right onto Monterey Court. Then your destination will be on the right.
Yeah. My sexy lips. My sexy lips, of course. So let me take the seatbelt off. And we finna break bread, y'all. I got a little downtime. I got 30 minutes of downtime, so y'all better tap the fuck on in. We ain't finna play no games. Y'all better tap in. We're not finna play no games. I wanna know. What type of man do you want God to send you? Hey, Rob, I told you leave me your number, man. You talking about a man with integrity? A man with integrity, huh? Sylvie, what's up, Rob? Inbox me your number. I'm reading y'all comments today. They look full up, but see, it's still right there, baby. This is what dude messed up. Versus, you see right there, he messed my beard up. Hey, push that all the way back. Now I gotta wait for that grow back. I'm telling you, I'm gonna fucking wake up and don't remind me of my beard, Michelle. Dang, I done dealt with this last week. Equally yoked, homie, love a friend. So let me ask y'all something. Do you think your mate, your soulmate should be your only best friend? Should they have a female or a male as a best friend? I want to know. Should your mate have a male or female as a best friend, or should they be your only best friend? What are you looking for in a soulmate? Take this picture like this, y'all, for real. You ready? I'm ready. Mila, what's up? Michelle, what's up? I'm on lunch break. See, I tap the fuck on in. Tap the fuck on in. We gonna talk some real talk. Don't be sitting up there sugarcoating. I want to know what type of man are you ladies looking for? And should you be your mate only best friend? Or should your mate have other best friends? I want to know. Shanta, what's up, baby? How you doing? Welcome to my page. I got a lot of new Facebook friends. And it's okay. They'll tune in. The Bible said your husband or wife should be your best friend. Now, so for men, it's what? Girl, what the hell you just say? For men, it's fine to have male best friends, but females, no. Nah, fuck that. Let me say this. It ain't even cool for me to have a fucking best friend. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be her only best friend. Okay, I'm reading. I am reading. A man who loves himself well enough to share that love without any drama. It's okay to have other best friends, but as his wife, I am definitely number uno. Kudos to you. Where everybody going? Oh man, the people just popped in, popped out. Oh, what the fuck is going on, man? I'm gonna take a break from Facebook Live, man, and just be posting a lot. Y'all don't need to see all of me all the time. Y'all don't need to see me. I'm taking a break from Facebook Live. I'm not gonna be posting live for a minute. I'm gonna let y'all get y'all shit together to decide if you want to fuck with me or not on my live, because I don't like live and I only get 2 people to watch me. I'm finna make some shit clear today. For real. Something ain't right. Something ain't right. And we're gonna get it right. Tiffany, what's up? Katanya, what's up? So, let's get back to it. Katanya. So, Katanya, do you got a best friend? Are you in a relationship, Katanya? Charmaine? Sharita? Miss? My eyes are blurry like a motherfucker, Joe. I can't hardly see shit. Damn. They don't watch my face this morning? The fuck? Oh. Okay. Let's see. Let me see what you say. How can you tell someone that's been friends with someone since childhood they're not your best friend anymore? That's going to cause conflict in the relationship. And yes, I am married. Are you married, Charmaine? Okay, that's a good thing. Are you happily married? See, because you got a lot of married folks, they just married to say they married. That don't mean they happily married. I'm just saying. And I'm happy for you that you married. Just don't let them see you looking at my life and how handsome I look. I'm just saying. Who's that nigga you looking at on live listening to? So I'm gonna sit back. I got 30 minutes. Yes and yes. Yeah, do he know you be watching me? Do he, Charmaine? Who's that nigga you on live with? I favor your husband? Damn. I favor your husband, so is you sharing? I favor your husband. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I bet he don't possess the same charm as me. I bet he don't possess the same charisma as me. I bet his personality different than mine. Mm-hmm. Mm. I favor your husband. Are you in love, Charmaine? Are you in love? I don't think nobody want to be in love no more. I think people just together just to say, I got somebody. Mm-hmm. So, I don't know why my life was not going as fast as it used to. But I can't see no words. You say what? Slowly hacking away from live. I feel I should be tapping in. What's up, Cherie? Slowly. I'm sure I could see, goddammit. Little ass words, man. I'm gonna have to get a bigger phone or some shit. I don't feel like reading today. Let me read this shit. Denise, what's up? Denise, come in on my live. Denise, you better make sure. Denise, make sure your motherfucking phone work, girl. I got 30 minutes to kill. You better come with it. Oh shit, I got 20-some minutes left. Y'all better come on. Hey, Denise and Denise. That's good. That's good. I'm happy for you, Charmaine. Slowly hacking away from this live. I feel I should be tapping in. Well, you best to tap in, friend. You better tap in. Denise, where you at? Candy Low, where you at? Y'all better come talk to me. Somebody better come talk to me. Denise, where you at? No, I was asking people, what is you really looking for in a man? What is you really looking for in a man? And is it hard to find those qualities? Yeah. He fucked my beard up, Joe. Is it hard to find those qualities in a man? He fucked up. Motherfucking hater. He was a beard hater. He know my damn beard. I will never fuck with that barber again. Oh, man. So I'm just trying to find out what type of man do women really want. And if the man you want ain't available, then I'm just saying. I am a Cancer. I'm a lover to the heart. I'm a lover To the heart, I fight for what I love, and I love what I fight for. I'm a Cancer. I'm a Cancer. What's up, Sahina Saunders? What's good? I'm checking on y'all. Okay, let me start. I'm looking for a friend first. Someone not afraid to show how he really feels, honest and true to himself. Don't feel he has anything to prove. Shakisha, I'm looking for a woman with a big old booty and a big old personality and a big old heart and a big old love for God and the big old sense of humor and the big old this and the big old that and the big old, 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 the big old. Oh! Lynn Sanders, what's up? Tap on in. No, I'm really looking for unconditional love. People be pretending, man. They be pretending that they want this shit, but they don't want this shit. And then when they get this shit, they want to try to change this shit. You can't change me. No. Just tired of being these pretenders. Yeah, I love hard, baby. Eileen, Ellen, what's up? Man, Cancers are the best, baby. I love hard. I love hard. Y'all want to see how big my heart is? Let me show you how big this heart. You see how big that heart is? You see it? I got a big heart. And some people don't know how to take this heart. And some people don't know how to treat this heart. And somebody don't know how to love this heart. I got a big heart. I love heart. You know, there's pros and Cancers. There's pros and cons to everything. Edna, what's up? I'm getting old. Look at that shit. Y'all catfish. I'm not. I'm finna. Hold on. Reese, what up?
Hello.
Yeah.
What up, G?
What's good with it?
You at work?
Yeah, what's good with it?
Shit, I was just calling to talk about Kale's ass, man.
Yeah, he out.
Yeah, I know. I seen this ass. They followed the shit out of his ass a couple of hours.
Yeah, I told you, man, my connection. I was just talking to her again this morning. She be in car. I told you he's gonna get out Monday. Yeah, I was talking to my people this morning about Kales. They was just saying, shit, Kales might get ready to hit Florida. He might go to Florida. He just trying to see what's the conditions are. He was just standing locked up to see what his what they gonna do with the child support. She told me, my source told me that the judge didn't want to let Kales out because he owed child support. And the other judge said we can't hold him because he owed child support because that's what he's not locked up for. So you got to grant his bond. So they granted his bond, but they say he got like 1 or 2 weeks to come up with the $100-some thousand that he owed his ex-wife. And what else she said? She said yeah, she had some bonds. My friend bonded them out. She said she had some bonds. She had some stocks and bonds she put up, you know, and she got them out.
Bitch named Valencia, right?
Who?
Bitch named Valencia bonded them out.
No, that is.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. Who bonded his ass out?
How she look?
light skinned, big booty bitch.
Oh, they said it?
Man, that motherfucker put it all on Twitter and shit. Put up bitch and everything on it.
What? Where you see this at?
I'm finna send it to you in a minute.
Man, send it to me right now.
Yeah, bitch that own. Have you ever been to that restaurant on Western called Love on the Blue?
Uh-uh.
Yeah, that bitch own. She own that motherfucker. Yeah, going in the mouth.
Send me a picture of her. Where's she supposed to live at?
And Romeoville.
Yeah. That's what they said. I want to make sure that the same picture.
Well, this an old picture of the bitch. The bitch actually look decent. This an old picture of this bitch. I'm gonna send it to you.
She short, she tall, what? She short or tall?
She a short bitch.
All right, send me the picture. We go see. We see this up. All right, send it to me.
I'm sending it to you right now.
All right, I'm on live real quick. I'm gonna hit you right back. I'm talking to my people. Nah, they'd be all right. Hey, y'all, hold on 1 second. I finna look at my text. Shanika, what's up? Jenna, what's up? I'm on lunch break, y'all. What's good with it? Let me see.
Did you get it, G?
Yeah, hold on. I'm finna see right now. Hold on, y'all. Let me see if it's the same person. I think that's her. Now let me see. I'm gonna screenshot this right here. Hold on. Yeah, they put it all on social media.
Yeah.
They didn't say how she got them out.
No, they ain't really say. But I know this bitch got bread though. This bitch got a Benz truck and a Range Rover.
Hey, let me see. What's up, y'all? Hey, I'm on lunch break, y'all. What's up?
I was trying to find the paperwork. They put the paperwork on there and everything that you signed, bond amount of shit.
Boy, I'm trying to see if she match up with the girl I be talking to. Try to go to my text messages. And what's her name on Facebook?
I don't know her Facebook information.
Now, where they got this on who Instagram they got this on?
That was I don't know that bitch name. My fucker sent me that shit. You ain't got the name at the top of it. The Instagram shit.
Let me look it up. You see.
Man, they was following the shit out there. That nigga stopped at McDonald's.
Hey, what's up, Mika? What's up? Yeah, I know. I saw they showed it on TV.
I like the way that car that was behind that van cut that news truck off. Like, get the fuck on.
Right. I ain't been paying attention to it.
Some motherfuckers out there waiting on them to get out.
Trying to see. I'm getting no response back. You good though?
Oh yeah, I'm good. You gonna be up at the joint this weekend?
Yeah, I'm gonna call him in a minute. See what we on.
Yeah, man, I had to end up taking my own patrol because dude was acting funny. They told me I fused the motherfucker, man. I'm like, man, fuck. I ended up taking my own patrol and just sitting my shit on top of that motherfucker sideways.
Okay.
And it worked. Shit.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Shit, hit me up later, though, G.
All right.
All right, good.
Yep. Anyway, I'm back. I'm on lunch break. I love you. 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 What are y'all doing this afternoon? I gotta do some research on some shit. Hold on. Yeah, what's up? What's up, Miss Cole? What's up, Doll Rogers, Miss Ann? How y'all doing? Hey, listen. I hope y'all having a great, terrific Tuesday. I'm just on lunch break. I love you all. Just thank you for just being my Facebook friends, my new ones as well as my old ones. And I was just trying to find out what are y'all looking for in a man. That's all. Yeah, that's all. Yeah. What's up, Adrenia? Is it Adrenia? Miss Cole? I'm way with y'all. It's break time. Bam. Sophia, what's up? Everybody was good with y'all? I'm finna get back to work. I'm gonna talk to y'all a little bit later. All right. Brother Major, what's up, Square? I'm gonna holler at y'all later. I gotta go back to work. I gotta holler. One. Peace. Oh, don't hurt him.